Keep this down. Use your muscles. Use your muscles. Can you roll over? Push yourself over. Is it hard work? Is it hard work? Use your muscles. Use your muscles. Ready? Use this arm. Use that arm. Push yourself over. Ready? Push this arm up. Push. Push. Push it over. You don't like it? You don't like it? Let's get the Boppy to help you.